Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to find the option block numbers. Let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And at the top we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course you can unblock it right here the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. Moreover, if you cannot find this block numbers option here, just tap on this gear icon or three dots icon in the right upper corner and your device will show you this option. Alright, so in order to enter the blacklist, we have to tap on the settings. So simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to settings. Here in this general list, we've got blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. Here we can also tap on add a number. And here we can enter it manually, so we do not have to have it saved. Tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Here we've got also the option unknown. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher and turn it off the same way. And basically this option will block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you wish to unblock the number, nothing easier. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.